All right, folks. Today we're looking at 811 St. Peter Street. We are in the heart of the French Quarter. This is actually a condo unit, so it's half of this double we're looking at right here. 811 St. Peter Street. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 770 square feet, and we're offering this at $469,000. This location could not be more central to the French Quarter. We're just about a block off Bourbon Street here. As you can see, it is very elegant. Really just a magnificently done home, very well renovated. Look at these beautiful wood floors, absolutely perfect condition. Here's our kitchen. Very well updated contemporary kitchen inside of a classic New Orleans double. Gas range, all high-end appliances. You know I love those transoms. Here's one bedroom. This one's rather small. They have a bunk bed set up in here, but it has its own closet. Now right here is our first full bath, and this one is just awesome. I love the way they worked in this original fireplace with brick. They worked that into the shower, and if this isn't a perfect example of contemporary mixed with classic New Orleans, I do not know what is. We've got our fancy 2-headed shower, and then our original exposed brick. There's me. Now I'll show you the master bedroom. So here's the master, rather large. I have that door open so you can see we've got a washer dryer in the unit. Soaring tall ceilings in here, 12 foot throughout, except for this little bathroom. This bathroom is also beautiful. Got that elegant clawfoot tub. And again, those contemporary finishes. Great tile work. Oh, and here's a closet for you as well. Just a little coat closet. Now I'll take you outside to the sitting area. This is classic French Quarter, a nice little private area in the back, some plants, and a beautiful brick wall. Here's a look up the side of the house. I thank you for watching this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. Today we've been looking at 811 St. Peter Street in the French Quarter. Again, offered at $469,000. If you should have any questions or would like to schedule a tour with us, feel free to contact Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. And just noting these pocket doors here, another classic feature. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And this is Jacob with Chris Smith's office, signing off.